Good evening, guys. Brian with VetteSource here, checking in with another one of our pieces from our Corvette new old stock inventory. Tonight what I'm going to be featuring is a seat cushion cover, which by first glance it just appears to be a black and red mix. But of course this is from the mighty Z06, the C6 Z06, the last of the, not big blocks, but the 427 cars. All motor, no boost, as the old guys say. The Z06 and the C6 was made from 2006 to 2013. This is what they call the mod red interior. Typically, you had a red car, a black car with a black and red mixture interior. If you've watched some of my other videos, I actually really like black cars with red guts or red interior. I have a 92 hardtop convertible that we have kind of been slowly working through on the channel. I've got a link up there at the top of the video if you've never seen that one. But this is a new old stock piece, and of course they've got the contrasting red stitching on them. Interestingly enough, these bolsters on the side are kind of a mixture of a synthetic material with real leather, so it's not all a leather. And of course these are difficult sometimes to keep up with when you're getting in and out of the car and heat exposure and things like that. They get worn out. In fact, even this one here in the back is just a fabric. It's not even leather towards the back. So if you've seen some of my other videos where I talk about the newer C6 parts, like the C6 new old stock floor mats I featured, it's not that they're cheapening out. They're looking for ways to make things a little more cost effective. It always comes down to finances and the bean counters and how can we continue to make a premium quality product without skimping and keeping it at a price point that people will continue to buy. So these are just some of the things that have happened over the years. Whereas, you looked at a cover like this, it was from 1986. It was a full leather cover. Everything was leather and had a foam backing like this one does here. But material-wise, it's the same except for you just using some different materials on it. So this one's available for sale. Obviously, I actually have, I think I have 3 of these, either 3 or 4. Now I will say this is called out, part number specific, as a passenger side. Okay, I have not been able to see any difference between the passenger and the driver's side on these. In fact, I think it even shows right here: do not repair, replace only. Z06 Corvette 2006. See, it says passenger. So there must be something when you're putting it together that calls it out specifically as a passenger side. I'm just not aware, unless, oh, you know what, I'll bet you as I'm looking at this now, that's passenger side, because that's where the airbag is on the passenger side. So that might be why they're calling this out as a passenger side unit, because I think that's a protectant inside there where the airbag is. So that may be what we're looking at. So anyway, I digress. This is a new old stock Corvette Z06 mod red seat cover, available for sale. My name is Brian. My number is 832-654-7367. I'm the owner here at VetteSource. Been dealing in Corvette parts for more than 20 years. So if you have a need for anything, you can always reach out to me by phone or in the comment section below, and I will get right back to you. I want to thank everybody for watching to the end, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. We'll see you then.